Nice. I have no job now, but if I'm employed, then I can only be a beggar. However, in this competitive situation, being a beggar is not that easy. Go away, the spot is mine. I'm staying. What are you gonna do? Here. But I only have one, you two can share. Never mind. But why do beggars have a lot of money like that? Huh, this is the right time. I'll take some. Oh, where's my money? That girl took everything. Chase her now. In this pandemic time, staying at home and doing business online is a wise choice. And now, the latest product, powerful hair dryer. With this dryer, you can play tricks on your friends anytime, anywhere. Where's Lisa? Oh, she's sleeping like a log. Ha! I'll take the time to take some ugly photos of her.
What?
How could that happen? She was sleeping right here. Have to see them again.
Nope.
That's weird.
Nope.
Where's she? Oh, that's... Ghost. My soul is gone. Now I'll show you what ugly photos are. Huh, told you to stay at home and do the housework, but you ran out to play? Let's see how I punished you, Lisa. What's wrong with you? You want to play tricks on me? Deserve it. Hey, you ruined my makeup. Wait, I can clean it for you. Is that all? Let me do it again. God, this is your bare fate? Put the makeup on. You must be really brave to go out with the fade like that. Hey, it's time to clean up. Why are you sleeping? Wake up. Huh, you forced me to do this. You dare to kid me? Who knows? It's suddenly in my hands. Run for your life. Wow, you are practicing meditation today. Come here with me. It's really great. Nah, I prefer eating. Don't lure me in. You're always on the eating mode. See how I deal with you. Circulate the towel. Put half of it into the water cup. Like this. Squeeze it a little bit. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? It's really hot today, right? I'm not mistaken, right? What have I just drunk?
What the fuck?
Do some exercises, Sprite.